Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Here today with our Can-Am Maverick R MAX. And Andy, you better keep backing up because I doubt you can get this whole car from as close as you were. This thing is a stretch limousine. Really cool. I drove the car yesterday. It actually is pretty quick and no doubt is due to the lower gearing that they implemented into the Mav R MAX. You know, drives a lot like a regular Mav R, but a lot longer. So, cool thing about this car, this is serial number or VIN number 0001. So this is the first production Maverick R MAX to roll off the production line at BRP. It's the second time we've got the first car. The other one was our first street car build. That was also VIN number 0001. But we have big plans for this car. We're going to do some dyno work. We're going to see what it puts down for a stock baseline. I expect it to be very similar to the 24 Mav R. And then we're going to get going, make this school bus move, because it's going to need it. It's a lot heavier than a two-seat Mav R. All right, so we did our first initial dyno pulls. As you can see, first run is 213 wheel horsepower. Second run, 209, that was in 6th gear. And third run was 208. So it's about what we expected. The engine's brand new, it will loosen up a little bit. So I would anticipate, after a few hours of run time, the numbers will come up a little bit, but that's exactly where our 2024 Maverick R was as well. And from what I can tell in the engine calibration, they're virtually identical. So wouldn't be any reason for it to make more or less power than the 24. Okay, so stay tuned for all of the cool new products and services that we have coming for the Maverick R. Expect only the best from Evolution Power Sports. Stay tuned.